What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 3. And now this is all about deliveries right here. We got this Vantage, and then that Vantage being delivered all to this location in Palm Springs. We finally made it. We made it with 2 hours to spare, so that's good. So after I drop all these 3 off, there's one more Vantage right up there. I'm gonna bring it down because our next delivery is at Austin Healey right up here. Let me show you. Alright, now move on. Let's do this. See how she sounds. The camera's not picking it up, but it sounds so good. And then there were 2. I gotta do this. I gotta use the trick for this. Let me show you guys the trick. You guys saw that? Hopefully you did. This one's the same one. I have to do the trick on this as well. Look how nice that is. Whoa, who wrote that? Time for the blue one. Damn, this sounds so good. So, yeah, this is what it looks like inside. Think that would look nice if I bought one? Even the way these mirrors open are bougie. This one. Now we got this one. We gotta lift that up, this up, make it flat. There goes the blue one. I honestly could have just loaded this in without even lowering it. But I guess old habits. Got her flatter than Taylor Swift. Let's take these out now. Trying to do this without one hand and without scratching anything. There we go. Alright, we're in the red one. Let's see what the red one's like. That's black. Black interior, red stitching. Not bad though, it's pretty sick. Let's see how much this car is going for. Alright, and upstairs we got the Vantage. We got the 1987 Austin Healey. Or Henley. I don't know. Let's figure out how to say this name so we're not... Okay. H-E-A-L-E-Y. Healey. Yeah, it's not Henley. There's no N. Healey. Whatever it is. So we got that. And we got this Porsche 911 Turbo S. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And that's all she wrote. All 3 of these are delivered. Now let's go to Riverside to deliver that Austin Healey. We made it to Riverside, but I completely forgot to bring this down to get that Austin Healey out. And look how tight it is. We gotta do this quick before cops show up. While I'm here, let me get these off. Only the ones on the frame. Alright, let's get in her. Alright, so this one's just like black on black on black everything. Oh, I wish you guys could hear that through the camera. So good. Look at this slant I'm on. That's so sketchy. But let's put her right in there on the tail. Look at that precision on both sides. We got our 2 chocks for upstairs because I do not trust that car. Now let's get her out. Alright guys, today was a relatively successful day. We dropped off 3 Aston Martin Vantages in 1 location. No problems, no issues with that. And then we went to Riverside. We dropped off that Austin Healey. There's no N. No issues with that. We just have the Porsche left. And we have, yeah, 1 more Aston Martin Vantage left. And I'm going to deliver those tomorrow. But right now I am hungry as heck. Let's go to Farm Boy. If you guys are from California, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I wish we had that on the East Coast. But you California guys, man, how do you eat? Tell me how you eat In-N-Out. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Can't wait until tomorrow's done. Try it. Try it. I could hear from here already. Good morning guys, we are currently on our way to deliver that Aston Martin Vantage. It's a little gloomy day, but we're going to LA. See you there. Something's going on with these batteries. Right now I'm reading 13.4, 13.2, 13.1, and it jumps back to 13.2. I don't know, is the belt gone? Or the batteries, let me check the batteries first. Yep, there's the problem. Sketchy spot too. I'm in a sketchy spot too. That's not good. Oh no. There we go. That's that 14.1 I'm looking for right there. Beautiful.
Being around so many people, I love this.
Alright guys, we finally made it to the heart of LA. If you ever played GTA, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That building right there, we would always fly helicopters on top of. So 60 miles from Riverside, it took me 4 hours to get here. LA traffic is ridiculous. Alrighty guys, we have finally made it. 4 hours, 65 miles. Oh man. I'll tell you what, the hardest part of that is accepting defeat in traffic. And then, I don't know, it sucks. I hate it. Let's get her done. We got 1. Got 2. 3. And 4. Alright guys, we're gonna have to drive her some ways, so I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit. I'm gonna close this gate and I'll see if we can get some reps for you guys, huh? So you can finally hear what it sounds like. Let's do it. I told you that sounds sick. Now we just gotta drive her to the dealer. This is the best part of it. Makes me feel rich for about 3 seconds. And we got this car. Welcome to LA, boys. And we're here. That's it. That's my 5 seconds of fame. Alright, bye-bye. This is the walk of shame. I was just in a $200,000 car. Now I'm in $150 shoes. Alright guys, back to reality. They switched locations on me. It was Long Beach, now it's Corona del Mar, which is one of the most beautiful beaches in Southern California, and it's one of the most expensive cities to live in the US, so hopefully I get some good footage. We got 52 miles left. Let's go. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a marina over there. Balboa Yacht Club. Look at these houses. I know they look small, but these houses start at $10 million. Smells like money. Even this thing looks expensive. Let's get her out. All right, last car, guys. We are finally empty. Let's go take our 34, get some sleep, get some food. You know, so there's this nice little taco place in Costa Mesa, and it's only 4 miles away, so let's go eat there. Look at that. I need a jet in my life. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.